Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. I've got some Sherwin Williams pillow paint, which is basically Latex House paint. It's an eggshell. I like putting a layer of it around the outside edge of my canvas to help all the other paint move from the center out. And I don't necessarily always want to have to move every last smidgen of it. I don't know how to put that better. I feel that if I have it around the outside edge, I got a much better shot at doing what I want and keeping more of the design that I like. And this is taking longer than I usually give it. But I'm thinking today might be a good day to play with my spatula. So I'm going to give myself colors like I did in a painting previous to this. I'm a Colour Arte affiliate. This is a Mayan gold. And I usually, well, I have been putting some of it on the palette knife to swipe. This is a Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold by Golden, I believe. Yes, it is. I have Jasmine, which is a primary element. And I'm using up some of my Royal Sapphire. And I want to put some of that in each. I've got some Wild Orchid, which is a Prizm Pour, and so was the Royal Sapphire. It's not coming out easily. It's partially clogged. Timing. Okay, I'm not going to worry too much about that. I'm going to pull my black and white cell activator out again. And I'm going to try and use some gold. Oh, wow. I thought it was dried on, but it's not. It's just from previous paintings. So if I go like that, I want the black and the white. It's a little risky with the spatula, but it's worth trying, except for when it leaks. And I'm going to put the Mayan gold on top also. Maybe I can encapsulate my pouring mediums. I'm liking some of my cells, are great. I'm not sure I got everything I want, but I love the colors so much, maybe I won't do anything about it. Usually, I would. Maybe I'll just go ahead and give myself permission. Maybe I'll leave them. I wasn't going to, but I think I will. I've got a nice palette knife, a couple of them in fact. And I can scoop. I could just still change my mind. Scoop and drag. I really do still want some cells over on that other side. This is kind of the fun part a lot of times. Moving the paint around. I don't want to take out too many of my beautiful cells though. Well, I think it's time, if I'm going to do it again, to do it again. And I've got another spatula left. And I think I'm going to use it. Where's my gold? I put it back. I don't want to put it back. Gold is still working. Maybe less this time. I don't know. This is Amsterdam White, Amsterdam Black in Aussie Floetrol. Leaking all over the place. And sometimes it takes a minute for the Aussie Floetrol to allow cells to happen, but they do come up. I'm pretty sure even if they're a lot of black, I'm still going to like them. And I am getting to stretch out some pretty interesting shapes. Albeit they're not as colorful as the original ones. They're still going to be very, very cool. And maybe this time I'll take advantage of the fact that I've got paint that's not centered. I'm going to lose some purple I really like. Maybe it'll come back. Yeah, I can live in hope. I think it's going to get swallowed. It's right over here. Kind of hoping it'll come back again. So I've got some of that wild orchid, and I really like that purple that I just lost. So, well, I didn't lose all of it, but I lost a lot of it. So I'm going to use the black cell activator on some wild orchid. Maybe some white also. No gold this time. I hate putting cool things near the edge because I know they'll be gone. But I still seem to do it anyway. Don't forget to lift your palette knife to break the seal. This should be pretty cool. I like to interrupt that gray with something cool. Like some cells maybe. Okay, so if I'm going to spin before the daylight is completely gone, it's time to do that now. Move a few things out of the way. Hope for the best. I meant to put some black, some tricorn black in there, and then I did not do it. I'm going to have to just spin. Do I need more paint? Maybe. You know what? I'm going to do it. I can't afford to risk it. Especially where the remaining purple is that I like so much. Oops. Well, I think that's going to be gone in a second anyway, so it doesn't matter. It's time to spin. I got beautiful colors, really weird, cool shapes. Let's see if this is in position. I guess it is. If I didn't say that, it's a 12 by 16 inch canvas. I do use Colour Arte products, and I'm a Colour Arte affiliate. Prizm Pour, Primary Elements, Vivid Polypore, Vivid Enamel, Vivid Intense Acrylic is a new product. This is really cool. Wow! That's awesome! One more spin in spite of the fact that I don't want to. I'm glad I put that paint on at the end. This is really cool. I'm so glad I did this. I'm so glad you guys were here. Please give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out. When you shop my Amazon link, you help me out. I don't know why I did that. Just instinct, I guess. Because I really like what I have a lot, and I'm going to stop it now. That's very, very awesome. I'm going to shimmer this at you. We've got quite a bit of time left, which is really cool. I'm loving the cells, and the colors are fantastic. I'll be doing stuff like that again. I'm not sure which way is the best way up. I kind of think it might be, yeah, I think it might be a vertical. Both the verticals good. That looks like a tree of life to me for your direction. I'm not sure why, but that's what it looks like to me. So, thank you guys for the donations through PayPal that keep me painting. I also have Patreon. You can find the icons on my YouTube channel banner. You can find my community board. We'll show you tomorrow's video. I post at 10 or 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. My Amazon link is a great place to shop, and you can find my 2 books there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. I should zoom in for you. You can always find on my Instagram link, which is available through my link tree, you can find these reels of these artworks. Wow! Just wow! That just came out so nicely balanced. That is a cool composition. Thank you, universe. I appreciate you unlimitedly. Oh, which reminds me, my 2 books are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and they're very relevant. They're the first and the second 100 videos from YouTube, and they're still viable. My community board is going to show you tomorrow's video, and I got lost. Thank you for your kind words and your comments. And if you'd like to be a member of my channel, you'll help support the production of videos, as people who donate through Patreon and PayPal do. And it's $9.99 a month, and you get access to a members-only library of 80+ videos just for you. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I do sell my artwork. Wow, I love the black in there. This time, I'm so happy that it showed up, actually. My email address is easpb, and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I'm so distracted, I can't tell you. On the link tree, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group. Society 6 has some of my awesome work, as does Le Gallerist clothing made in Montreal. There's more than clothing. There's some really beautiful pillows, and they just brought about a new fabric for pillows and canvasy stuff. Really nice. Can't wait to try it myself. I might torch You probably shouldn't, but I will be looking for bubbles with a skewer and using it. My paint pouring recipes are below show more. If you need me, if you have a question, please, by all means, feel free to ask. Woo-hoo-hoo! Happy New Year! If I forgot to tell you anything, I'm sure you'll see it in another video. Oh yeah, I have 2,800 videos, and you can find them organized by topic or genre or by the 100. And if you can't, or you're not interested in working at it, by going to my YouTube channel banner and finding playlists, all playlists, created playlists, just ask me. If you like a certain style, I will automatically give you a playlist that same way. Okay, we're out of time, pretty much. No, I love you guys. I definitely do wish you happy New Year, and wow, them some good jelly beans. All right, take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Bye for now. I'll see you anon. Priscilla out.